Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 3 Forest. Firstly, what is a forest? A forest is an area where the earth is covered mainly by a very large number of trees. It means the area where we found a large number of trees is called a forest. The very large number of trees in a forest support many life forms. Trees are an important component of the forest. It means trees play a very important role in the forest. Without tree, forests are incomplete. They clean the air. What does tree do? They clean the air, cool it in whole days, conserve heat at night, and act as excellent sound absorber. It means what does tree do? Tree clean our air. It also cool our air when it is hot, and they absorb the sound also. So in this way trees help us. Trees are the very important components of the forest. In forest, we found different kinds of animals and different kinds of trees. So, forests create a special environment which affects the animals and plants that live and survive in the forest. So, forest is a home to different animals, insects and birds. Different forests have different types of trees, like some have people, some have neem, and some have banyan trees. Let us study some of the forest animals, such are owl, deer, crow, bear, fox, wolf, bobcat, squirrel, hedgehog. These are some animals which are mainly found in the forest. Students, when we get ill, so we need medicines. More than 25% of the medicines we get from the plants which are found in the forest, and we know that we human beings need oxygen for our survival. So more than 20% of the oxygen is produced by the Amazon forest. This is a very large forest which is found in our earth. So this Amazon forest produce more than 20% of the earth's oxygen. For early man, forest was his home where he got food and shelter. Human beings and forest have a relationship. We have always been dependent on forest for clean air, food, fuel, water, shelter. You can look at the picture that in these early mans are preparing their food in the forest, and they're also making their houses in the forest where they live. So forests play multiple roles to take care of our needs. Forest is very essential and very important component. So we should plant more and more trees. Let us discuss some of the important points of the forest. Forests are the lungs of nature that provide oxygen for us to breathe, survive, and maintain a healthy ecosystem. Students, as we know that we need oxygen, and from where we get this oxygen? We get this oxygen from the plant. So, what does tree do? The tree purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In this, they helps to maintain the climate balance over a large area. Forests have been a source of livelihood for millions of plants and animals on the planet, as we know that different kinds of plants and animals are found in the forest. Forests provide food, fuel, and raw materials for human beings to use and prosper. As we know that forests are very important for us, they play a multiple role to take care of our basic needs. From forest, we get fuel, we get food, we get water, we get shelter. Forests help in preventing soil erosion and maintains and enhances the fertility of the soil. So, what does tree do? Trees bind soil particles with their strong roots, and this prevents soil from being washed or blown away. Now discuss some uses of forests. So first is they provide timber for house building, shipbuilding, bridges, railway carriages, furnitures, etc. It means from forest we get wood, or you can say lakdi, and with the help of this timber we make our house, ships and bridges. They supply firewood and charcoal for fuel in homes and in industries. So, from the forest, we get the wood which we use in our houses, and to burn, we get charcoal. They provide wood pulp for the paper and rayon industries. It means the paper which we have in our notebooks or books, we get this paper from the trees. They provide honey for food and medicines. We get honey from the forest, from the trees. They provide beeswax for candles, medicines, shoemaking, etc. They provide canes for basket, mats, chairs, ropes, walking sticks, and umbrella handles. For all these materials, we get something from the forest. So that's why, with the help of trees, we can make all these objects. They provide sandalwood. Sandalwood is a type of wood which we get from the trees. So, they provide sandalwood for carved boxes and small domestic articles. They provide tanning materials in the form of wood, barks, leaves, roots, and fruits for tanning hides and skin. So, we get to know that forests are very essential for us, and we should plant more and more trees. Thank you very much.